Make ready process from when tenants move out of small apartments. Hey, Cordell here. Cordell Davenport, Small Apartment Investors. Check out the website, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Have a lot of info buying and managing small apartments. In this video, I'm going to discuss make ready process when tenants move out of the small apartments. Make ready maintenance is one of the most intensive activities in apartment management. You need to inspect the unit and decide what maintenance and make ready tasks are needed. Checklists are always wise. After work is completed, someone should inspect to make sure the unit is ready before any tenant comes in to tour the property. When you analyze the apartment that is, the unit, determine, is there significant physical damage? Are there major appliances in good working condition? Is there retrofit or rehab work to be done during the term? Will contractors be involved? And what will be the scope of their work? The person cleaning the unit, they should do an excellent job as if no one has ever lived in the unit. And moving condition is the key to start the residency of your tenants in the right way. Here's how: trash removal, pest control, mechanical systems, electrical, plumbing, appliance, HVAC, retrofits and rehab items, sheetrock, doors, windows, locks, cabinets, counters, painting, caulking, flooring. And then lastly, final cleaning and a welcome gift. So you can look at this as step one, step two, step three. But it doesn't really, I mean, it does matter, but as long as you have a system that can be repeated is the main thing. Once again, the person cleaning should clean the unit like someone never has lived in a unit. Moving condition is the key to start a residency in the right way. That's it for now. Check out more of my videos online. Thank you for your time.